Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a saved search on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pin a saved search so that you no longer have to retype it in. How do you actually go ahead and pin a search on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what we're first going to do is hop into our eBay app. Then on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on My eBay. And then next, what you want to do is you want to click on Saved. Once you click on Saved, you're going to see a list of your saved searches. Go ahead and click on the three dots of the saved search which you want to go ahead and pin, and then click on Pin Search. Now what this does is that it pins it to the top of your saved feed. So as you can see, once you go to My eBay and then you go to Saved, it's going to pin it at the top, so you can just click it and search it again. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pin a saved search on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.